Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A17 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number, and the first one is the way to block a number from your contact list, so the one which is currently saved, or the second way to block a number, let's say kind of manually, just by using the dialer settings. And of course I'll show you both options, and I'd like to begin with the contact list. So let's open your contacts, for example, and by using the dialer, and here let's find the contact we'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on block. I don't want to report it as a spam. And as you can see, right here we can see this characteristic icon. What's more, it is said that this number is blocked, which simply means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now let's go back, and as I said, I can show you the second way of blocking a number, and this way is kind of manually, so you don't have to have the number saved. And here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. As you can see, in the general section we've got blocked numbers, so let's enter. And this is our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts, which simply means that the blocking option simply worked. And as I said, in this way you can add a phone number manually. So simply tap on this option, and as you can see, you can simply enter the number, tap on block, and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, which can be quite useful. Activated just by tapping on the switcher, and thanks to this your device will be allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers. So as I said, it may be useful in some situations. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your OPPO A17. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.